Welcome to CPR Saver's product review. My name is Celine, and this week we'll be looking at the aluminum splint. A splint is a medical device that can be used to stabilize a serious injury that needs to be kept immobile, like a broken arm, ankle, finger, etc. There are different types of splints, but this reusable moldable splint is strong and flexible so that it can be shaped for a specific injury and fit snugly on any patient. First, determine how long it needs to be to make sure the injured area will be kept straight. Then fold to desired length. Then, to add stability, you need to fold the splint lengthwise to make it stronger, which will keep the injured limb immobilized. Okay. Then, place gauze inside of the splint to ensure it's comfortable. To keep the fractured arm immobilized, wrap it with an ACE bandage or other bandage to keep the splint on. And there you have it. This amazing tool can be found on our website. Just type SAM1 into the search bar to be taken to the product page, or contact our customer service excellent team at 800-480-1277. Thank you for your time and see you next week.